Deloitte is a very large financial professional services firm providing an increasing and innovative range of services to clients in audit, tax, consulting and financial advisory. We took the opportunity a few years ago to start centralising some business operations here to take advantage of a great talent pool in Cardiff and a chance to change the way that we do our business. Deloitte is employing hundreds of people here in Cardiff now, and as our scale has grown, that's given us the opportunity to expand the recruitment into areas where we wouldn't previously have gone. And one way we've done that is through a real partnership with Cardiff and Vale College, with support from the Welsh Government, to develop a new business administration apprenticeship scheme, and that's proved to be really successful for us. We've had a great range of support from the Welsh Government with access to advice on training to help us develop the skills of our workforce. We had good points of contact with them all the time. They've supported us through that development of training. The success of the Deloitte operation here in Cardiff is all about our people, and we've got great people because they have a great work-life balance as well. There is a great city and great countryside, great lifestyle opportunities for everybody really, and we just seem to have a happy workforce based on living here, right here in Cardiff.